I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a quick, reliable backup. Duplicate the theme or download the zip so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Shopify Admin, choose Online Store, then Themes, click Actions, and edit code to load the file editor. You should immediately locate the folder structure: layout, templates, sections, snippets, and assets. Make sure to pick the correct theme version and the exact file you want to modify, because editing the wrong file causes unexpected site changes. Now you edit with caution. Create small, incremental changes and use comments to mark what you changed so you can revert easily. You'll typically modify sections or snippets for content structure and assets for styles and scripts. This keeps updates modular and reversible. After each save, use the theme preview to confirm behavior and visuals before publishing. If your change affects multiple pages, test several page types. Make sure you keep a copy of the original lines so you can paste back when everything looks right in preview. Publish the edited theme or swap it into production during low traffic times to reduce risk. After publish, monitor the storefront and check the browser console plus Shopify's liquid error messages for any runtime issues. If something goes wrong, revert the single changed file from the editor history or restore the duplicated theme backup. This is faster than rebuilding. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache. Disable apps that inject code and retest. Many problems come from cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.